Administrators here say the halls of this high school have been quiet all day. The victim was a popular student, a football player, and he was shot to death while hanging out with friends. 17-year-old Daryl Ross was a junior at Connellsville High, a wide receiver on the football team, and his coach said the teen could light up a room.
Just had a unique ability to make people smile.
Coach David McDonald was very close to Ross, like many others in town. The teen's grandfather is the mayor of South Connellsville. Police found him close to 7 o'clock last night, shot in the head in an upstairs bedroom of this house on Murray Avenue in Uniontown. Authorities say he'd been there with a large group of teens and adults.
I think there was just kids that were there playing video games.
Investigators say one of those adults, 20-year-old Hassani Simpkins, was the shooter. They found him hiding behind hedges near the house. Simpkins allegedly confessed to firing the gun while pointing it at Ross, then throwing the stolen weapon to the ground and waiting for police to find him. What's not clear is whether the deadly shot was fired by accident or on purpose. Either way, Ross's death sent a shock through students at Connellsville High.
They're pretty broken up about it. All of us are.
Everything came naturally to him from a social aspect, from a physical aspect. He was a natural, and you know, there's a lot of kids in our building that loved him for that.
The superintendent says many of Ross's friends didn't come to school today. Those that did were allowed to spend time together instead of in class. Simpkins is in the Fayette County Jail. He's facing several charges, including criminal homicide. Reporting in Connellsville, Bob Hazen, Channel 4 Action News.